Hi everyone. Today, I would like us to learn how to view and manage processes in Ubuntu. Processes are the running instances of programs or commands in a system. Efficient process management is essential for understanding system performance and troubleshooting. Two commonly used commands for viewing processes are ps and top. The ps command provides a snapshot of the currently running processes. It's a static view that doesn't update in real time. Let's see it in action. First, let's open our terminal. Once you have opened the terminal, all you need to do is type the command ps and press enter. As you can see, we get an output with several columns. The first column is the process ID, acronymed as PID. It is a unique identifier for each running process. The second column is the terminal associated with the process. The third column is time, which is the cumulative CPU time used by the process. The last column is the command that initiated the process. Here, 3410 is the PID of the bash shell, and 3423 is the PID of the ps command itself, which you just ran to get this output. PTS/0 indicates the process is attached to a pseudo-terminal session, like a terminal emulator. Both processes show 0, meaning they haven't consumed any measurable CPU time yet. ps command can also be used with the AUX option to list all processes running on the system, along with their detailed information. Type the command ps-aux and press enter. As you can see, there are several processes running on the virtual machine. The output has the user column displaying the user account running the process. The PID is the unique process identifier for each process. Percentage CPU column shows the percentage of the CPU being used by the process. Percentage MEM shows the percentage of memory being used by the process. The VSC column displays the virtual memory size allocated to the process, in kilobytes. The RSS column shows the resident set size, or the physical memory, RAM, the process is actively using, in kilobytes. The TTY column displays the terminal associated with the process. The stat column shows the status of the process. The start column shows the start time of the process. The time column shows the cumulative CPU time the process has consumed. And finally, the command column shows the name or command that initiated the process. This command provides sufficient information about all the processed running in the system. Let's clear the terminal and move to the next command, the top command. The top command provides a dynamic, real-time view of all processes running on the system. Unlike ps, it updates continuously. All you need to do is type the command top and press enter. As you can see, the top command also displays an output with several columns providing sufficient information about the running processes. A notable difference between ps and top is that top updates the processes dynamically or in real time. Notice how processes are continuously changing on the terminal. After you are done viewing the running processes, you can quit the top viewing interface by pressing Q. Now, let's clear the terminal and see how to manage these processes using the kill command. First, type the top command and press enter. You will notice that I had opened Firefox browser earlier, and it is now one of the running processes. The two red dots here indicate that two windows of Firefox are running. You can find the running Firefox here. Let's see how we can kill them using the terminal. Close the top viewing interface by pressing Q. Here is the running Firefox with the PID 5394. To kill it, you simply type kill and you can copy. Oh, sorry. The terminal doesn't allow the CTRL+C copy shortcut. You can right-click and copy the PID and paste it. So it will be kill 5394 and press enter. If you are keen, you will notice that the opened Firefox windows have been closed. The running Firefox processes have been killed. Instead of using the PID to kill a process, you can use the name of the process if you know it. Let's see how that works. But first, we have to type top and press enter. You will realize Firefox is not one of the running processes. Let's open Firefox and minimize it. If you check the running processes now, Firefox is one of them. Let's quit the top viewing interface so you can pinpoint the running Firefox process easily. And here it is. To kill this process using the name Firefox instead of its PID, you type the command kill Firefox and press enter. And there you go, you have successfully killed the Firefox process. It is no longer open. And with that, we are done with today's tutorial on how to view and manage processes in Ubuntu. Support this YouTube channel by subscribing, liking the video, and smashing the notification bell. Thank you and see you in the next video.